Hey guys, welcome back to the video. We're going to be railfanning in Omaha and Council Bluffs, Iowa. Got some train cars over there on the way to Council Bluffs, Iowa. Pretty cool. It's a good sign. You're gonna see a lot of trains. Alright guys, we got something pretty cool here. We have this old switcher engine parked. That's some more. This old switcher engine parked up here in like a junkyard or something there. And then there's the Burlington Northern, I'm assuming. Little engine here. That's pretty cool. Alright, nice little catch there.
We got a big magnet.
We got a little action going on here in Council Bluffs. He's got a magnet thingy. He's bringing it over. What's on it?
Metal. Just tons of scrap metal.
That's really cool. Look at that, guys. See? Pick up the train, guys. Possibly. I hear the horn. I hear the horn.
I think they're gonna run it.
First train of the trip, guys. Oh, this guy's turning around. Here we go, guys. Look at this. KC7. That's pretty cool. Nope. Goes so slow. Yes, but still public driving. This is what I thought. Where's he going? He's on the wrong side of the road. He's on the wrong side of the road, isn't he? Oh, never mind. He just turned there. That's okay. Yeah, I was like, finally got that. Yeah, there's so many cars. I thought these trucks were there. Cool train car. Pretty cool train car here. Not bad. This is our first catch today. First train of day one. Man, there's so many crossings down this line. I bet they've tried to get no horn zones, but they really can't do much because they have to have the whole town in no horn zone.
Yeah,
They usually have like smaller sections in bigger cities. Yeah. Especially because there's a lot of crossings with just signs too, you know? They're not honking, you know? Like something like Kearney, let's say more trains came through Kearney, I'm sure they'd want that. But there's no gates in Kearney either. It'd be hilarious if we got a no horn zone in Kearney. I hate no horns up. No horns up. Yeah. It's Kansas for you. They don't even have fireworks. They don't like the noise there. Too fancy for the noise. Since it's a yard train, it's gonna. Oh, no, there's not the end. It's flatbed. Since it's like a yard here, it's gonna stop and back up. It's gonna be a minute. I think that truck knew what he was doing as well. I'll catch it a little bit longer. Yeah, there he goes. He stopped. He just had somebody's turned around behind us. I'm go ahead and cut the video off because this might be a minute. It's pretty cool hopped car right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead in the video. It's got some engines, so I'm very happy with that. We were driving down and we seen the front of this one. We're going forward again, so that means. This, guys, this is a rare. Wow, that's a rare engine right there for sure. It's kind of like a Pac-Man. Kind of like that of Canadian National.
I got you.
Caught on the radio. That is a really cool catch, guys. Look at that. Hey guys, look at this. This is an old Amtrak boxcar right there. That is cool. That is something you do not see very often. That's really cool. That's very cool. Got this train here, guys. Council Bluffs, Iowa. Wow, old Canadian National engine. Very cool. Jason's right here. Oh, he is.
Slow down.
Coming back here. Just open that door. No, it just moved. What's it doing down there? What is that thing? Oh, it's taking back off. It was getting in that little cab thingy. Got a runner. Man. Another runner. Oh no, he's stopping.
How long these gates are.
I know. They cover the whole road. know if he'll clear the crossing though. See, there's people crossing down there. Stop before. He isn't gonna get all the way over.
Past this.
I don't know. Because the switches are down. Well, I don't know. Let's see.
This car waiting over here. See, there's one car there.
Yeah. Stop, guys. I'll start filming again if he starts moving again. Comes Iowa Interstate. Look at him, man. Look at the game. Turning around. The train has 3 cars on it. That's funny. Iowa Interstate. Pull the switch or something. Yeah, shiny. This gate's going up over there. Where'd they go? Gates, all 3 of them. Get there, and get there. Pretty cool. Not bad of a catch at all. Look at this, guys. They have a snowplow here. Council Bluffs, Iowa. Iowa Interstate Train Yard. Alright, guys, we're going over some old abandoned train tracks.
Are they abandoned?
Or at least they're not used very often. Hey guys, look at this. This is the Iowa Interstate. I believe it's the 25th anniversary heritage. Kind of not a heritage unit, but like the 25th anniversary engine or something. That's really cool. We got a couple more engines. Iowa Interstate boxcar. But then look at this, guys. A chassis system boxcar. That's funny, because I'm wearing a chassis system shirt right now. Yeah, that's really cool. This is awesome, guys. So there's this old engine here. It does a lot of switching at this yard up here in Council Bluffs. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's running here. It's parked. It just came out of that little, I don't know, thingy-mabob over there. And it came up to right there. Very cool. Nice to catch there. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is CC. We have flooded train tracks here in Council Bluffs, Iowa. Full of water, that's crazy. Very cool. And guys, we're here today. God bless and goodbye. He is coming through the crossing. Yeah. Just do it. Stop on the crossing. What a clouds up there, guys. It's cool. There's a bunch of flooding going on here. I got a bunch on video, too. There we go. Pretty cool. We have an old switcher engine here, kinda moving. He's moving here at a train yard. He's going to go connect to those cars. He might go over the crossing. There he goes. The cool old engine there.
Old rust bucket, man.
Yeah.
Pull it here. Turn around.
Here it is, doing some work here. Oh,
Guys,
getting up.
right there.
This guy was trying. Look behind me. You got us Southwest Airlines here. Very cool. Alright guys, this is one of the biggest diesel locomotives in the world. And there's Union Pacific. This thing is massive. There's this right here. You can see some tracks down there. Then you got this big old steam train here, guys. This thing's amazing. Hear a train horn somewhere. You can actually see inside of this engine here. I think it's really cool. Very cool. That's the train, guys. No gates, no bell. There goes the other crossing gates there and getting triggered. Pretty cool. Yeah, but he's going over the other crossing. These gates are still down. And there he goes, he's switching. There go the gates. That's pretty cool. Look at this, guys. They're placing some ties here. There's a train yard here. There's a bunch of things on down the tracks there. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. cool. Look at this, guys. It's coming right over us. Look at that. Very cool. And this, guys. This train track truck driving by. The train. Slowly but surely. That's an old engine on it. No. Cool. I don't know what airline it is. I don't think this train's gonna stop. I think he's headed out. Oh yeah. Yeah, I see. I think he's leaving the yard because he was there for a minute.
Yeah, I think he's getting out of this one.
Look at the cap on that mega car. It's blue.
I can stop him.
Might be. Guys. Look at this train, guys. Burlington Northern on the side. Look at that. First ever Burlington Northern catch here. This thing's amazing. Look at that. Wow. Got us a train here. Burlington Northern moving. Bonnet here, guys. Look at that. Wow. It's a cool bonnet, too. Iowa Interstate train here. Cool. Here comes the train. Iowa Interstate. What's this car going to do? Hey, he's stuck. He's stuck. He's stuck. Oh man. That's funny. Funny. Where are the gates? Wow. Never seen that before. That's pretty crazy. Cool. Norfolk Southern engine here. It's parked. Not moving. Pretty cool. There's another train going by. There's that train car.
That's cool. We got an
Yeah.
open train car to see it. 2 UPs.
Yep. Those two that we've seen the other time. That's pretty cool. Going under a train here.
See the engines?
Oh yeah.
Couple
camera.
Pacifics.
Man, bunch of trucks up there.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Hey guys, look at this. This is really cool. Bunch of old Union Pacific passenger train cars. Wow. And then we got this old Swisher engine here. Yeah. Old Swisher engine there. Fueling up. Very cool. Hey guys, at the Iowa Interstate train yard, I have this train backing up here. Engine back there. Backing into the train yard. Yep.
Can't see what's pushing it.
Not yet. It's gonna stop, disconnect, come up from the other track. So, you know, probably won't be there. See an engine coming? Or, oh, engine, my bad. A plane.
Looking up to that, and then it's good to just take off.
He's building his train is what he's doing.
Yeah.
Probably like a BNS Pacific front, probably missed the rest of it. Like when he came in. Goodness. Such a long train doing it, it's a lot louder, you know. I guess. See that engine through there? Look.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Cool.
Have the seat up there.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. And there's that thing. Pretty cool. There's a train parked up here over the crossing, going forward slowly. Wraps around. First time I've seen a train at this crossing here. Oh yeah. Cool. Train stopping. Iowa Interstate here. There are the gates. That was different. That's the different ones. The horn's different than the other one. So those are the ones we seen yesterday parked down there. Those gates are going up. There. The last time we're gonna catch this train, we're headed home today. Right after this, probably. Pretty cool. Hey guys, look at these old cabooses. 2 bearing, 2 other cabooses. This thing is, these are awesome, man. It's unbelievable. Got a train in the rain, guys. Engines.
This is the same number, so it's not our. It's got to be different ones.
Pretty sure they're the same ones.
Just still you pushing them.
Yep. Pretty cool. Lots of traffic. There's an old switcher engine over there.
The thing's old as dirt.
Yeah. Kind of see it. Oh man. Alright guys, we're on the way out of town. We got us a train here. Going to be on that track over there. Is it raining? Sure is. Put your window down. Here. There it is. Along the side of the road.
Double stacker.
Yep.
Train in the rain.
Yep.
Is that the end of it right there? That is the end.
It is the end.
It's a short.
I bet he's going to Council Bluffs to get more of the yard there.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Pretty cool view.
Yep. There it goes. Pretty cool. Nice little final catch there. You have a crop dusting plane taking off here at Mound Landing Strip. Or something like that.
It ain't gonna take it long.
Nah. Whoa. There he goes. That is cool stuff right there. Wow. That is cool. Guys, have a great day. God bless and goodbye.